Marco, I have already bought the shoes you wanted. Do you want to come to see them?
Are you kidding? I don't know. You choose the movie, then.
Marco? I am talking to you. Why do not we go to see those shoes?
No, it's my dad. Give me a sec, okay? I need to talk to him for a moment. Yeah. Yes, Dad? I'm kind of busy now. I was talking to Tom. We are going to the movies.
I told you that I have already bought the shoes you wanted for this Saturday.
Great. I will go to a party with those shoes. It will be amazing.
To a party? You did not tell me anything about that. What party?
Did not I tell you about that party? Oh, I'm sorry. I must have forgotten it. It's Saul's birthday.
Saul? You mean that's Saul? Your best friend's brother? He's old.
He's not old. He's just 25. Well, he will be 26 this week. He will celebrate it in a house near the beach. Everyone will go there. It will be amazing.
But Marco, you are still a teenager. You cannot go to those kind of parties, son.
No, Dad. I am not a child anymore. Everybody is going to be there. I have to go.
I am sorry, son, but you cannot go. I am sure all the people who are going to be there are adults.
So what? I always hang out with him. I always go to his house and we hang out.
Marco, please. You go to his house because your best friend lives there. You are 14. You cannot be friend of a man who will soon be 30, son. I am sorry, but you are not going to that party. It's not for a kid of your age, son.
But Dad, I want to go. I'm not a child anymore. Please, I have to go.
It's dangerous for a teenager like you to go to these parties. They will drink alcohol. I am sure they will smoke cigarettes or any other kind of similar thing. It's not for you.
You never let me go to any place. Why? I just want to go and have fun with my friends. You told me the same thing last time. I wanted to go to that mountain and you did not let me go.
I know, but it was dangerous for you. You wanted to go just with Leonard, your friend.
Yeah, with my friend. We were going to camp there. Many people go camping to that mountain.
It's dangerous. You do not know how dangerous it could be for boys like you and Leo.
You never let me do what I really want to do. I hate you, Dad. I hate you so much.
Don't say that. I am just trying to protect you, son. You do not hate me.
Yes, I do. I hate you so much. You don't let me go. Why can't I go?
Well, I am sorry, but you are not going anywhere, okay? I am your father and you have to do what I tell you to do.
I am not a child anymore. I can do what I want. You can't tell me what to do. No.
Again, I am sorry, but you have to do what I am telling you. You are still 14. You are not an adult.
I hate you. I hate you so much. Get out of my room now. I don't want to see you.
All right, I am leaving, but you are going to stay here. You cannot go to that party. Period.
Yeah. Whatever. I did not want to go anyway. I will stay here because I want to. Hello? Tom? No, I'm not going to your brother's party. Yeah, my dad. You know him very well. He never lets me do what I want to do. I hate him. No. He's not right. I wanted to go to that party. It was going to be amazing. What? Again with that? Yeah, you told me you're not going to the party. Yeah, because your mother does not want you to go. Yeah, I know we are not adults. Do you agree with that? What are you talking about? Are you kidding? No, of course not. We are not children anymore. You need to understand that. No, he's not right. Yeah, I know he's my father, but he only wants to bother me. No, he does not love me. Protect me? Yeah, sure. No. What are you talking about? You know what? I am going to that party anyway. I don't care what he says. It's my life. I can do whatever I want. I'm going to that party. What? You are not going? Fine. I am on my own. Yeah, bye. I don't want to talk to you. I shall see you on Monday at classes. Bye.
Hey, son. I am sorry about what happened a while ago. I did not mean to. Anyway, your birthday will be very soon and I want to ask you. What do you want for that day?
You know what I want? I want you to leave me alone. Don't bother me. Leave me alone. I hate you. You are a terrible father. My friend's father is much better than you. So, that's what I want for my birthday. Leave me alone. Do you get it?
Okay. I did not know it was bothering you so much.
You annoy me. You make me feel angry, sad, stressed. You bother me. Life would be much better if you were not here. I would like to have a different father.
All right. I get it. Don't worry. I shall leave you alone.
Yeah, thank you. Damn. I'm so pissed. I hate him. Why? Why can't I do what I want to do? I'm not a child. And what if Tom is right? What if he just wants to protect me? And I told him that I hate him. That's not true. Oh, God. I feel terrible. I need to talk to him. I need to apologize to him. I hope he's still at home. Dad. Dad, I'm really sorry. I did not mean to tell you that. Forgive me, please. I was so stupid.
Forgive you? Why? I don't even remember what you said.
Oh, thank you, Dad. I was so stupid. You are the best father a son could have. And I love you so much. I would not go to that party. I understand I am still a teenager. But why don't we go to the movies? There's a movie I want to watch, or maybe you don't want to go.
Of course I want to go. You know I love going to the movies with my favorite son.
I'm your only son, Dad. Let's go.